Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another very interesting concept. This time this concept is regarding the square numbers only. That is the squares of two consecutive numbers. That means like 7 square and 8 square or 115 square and 116 square. And the concept is going to really surprise you because this is sometimes a part of class 6th 7th maths, but asked in competitive exams as well, because it is a concept, and if you know the concept you know the answer. But logic is a must, reasoning out things is a must. So we should understand why a particular thing works out for us. So I'm going to be very descriptive. I'm going to tell you why this works. And by the way, let me tell you that from the ebook of short trick, the PDF version, we have this chapter number 4, simplifying squares, cubes, square roots and cube roots. This video is a part of that chapter. And the video is entitled Natural Numbers Between Two Consecutive Squares. Consecutive squares means like if I say 47 square and 48 square. So 47 square and 48 squares are big numbers, maybe in thousands. So how many natural numbers lie between those squares? That's what is the question. So let's understand the concept of the trick. Before that, let me tell you about this PDF version of the ebook of short tricks, which I keep on speaking about. That contains around 350 short tricks, especially useful for the school students who want themselves to calculate 10x faster than their friends, and very important for quantitative aptitude exams. So if you want to crack the competitions, then this ebook is a must acquire ebook. Very nominal cost associated with the ebook. So if you want to get a copy, send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. That is the WhatsApp number. All these details, the things which you can do on our channel, these things are contained in the description of this video as well. So friends, get ready for a dose of amazing mathematics knowledge. Let's see the concept behind this trick. So we are talking about how many natural numbers lie between say 6 square and 7 square. So one thing is, like, you can do 6 square as 36, 7 square as 49, and then start counting from 37, right? 37, 38, 39. But that doesn't work if I give you a question like 426 square and 427 square. That will take ages to get solved. So there has to be some rule, some logic. So let's understand the logic first, and then the next 2 slides are going to be a cakewalk for you. Very easy thing to understand. Now suppose I consider the smaller number as n. So we have a n square, and the larger number obviously will be 1 more than this because they are consecutive numbers. So it is n plus 1 whole square. And I want to find how many natural numbers lie between them. So I'll take a example of non-squares. Like suppose if I ask you how many numbers lie between 4 and 9. So what is the shortest way of doing this question? Counting 5, 6? That is easiest, right? But if I ask you 1413 and 2819, so you're going to struggle there if you don't know the rule. So the rule is, how many numbers lie between them? Just subtract these two, 9 minus 4. But this will not be your answer, because starting with 5, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, only 4 numbers, but 9 minus 4 is 5. So the difference always gives you 1 more than required. So you have to subtract 1 from this difference to get how many numbers lie between 4 and 9. And now the correct answer is 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus 1, 4. And you can check, the 4 numbers are 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how do you find how many numbers lie between two given numbers? Just subtract the numbers like this and subtract 1 from that difference. Now that's what I am going to do here. So how many numbers lie between these? N plus 1 whole square minus n square, and then minus 1 also. This is what I told you, minus 1 has to be done. So n plus 1 whole square you can open using the identity a plus b whole square a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then the remaining things minus n square minus 1. So n square cancels out, plus 1 minus 1 cancels out, and you have the answer 2n. And therefore there are 2n natural numbers between n square and n plus 1 whole square. Now in this example n was 6, right? So if I take 2n means 2 into 6, and that is 12. So my answer for this question will be 12 natural numbers lie between 6 square and 7 square. And you can actually verify that now. 6 square is 36. So if we start counting, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 10 numbers, 47, 48. And here we have 49. So 12 numbers. And so the simple rule is, consider the smaller one as n, the larger one is n plus 1, but you don't even have to look at the larger one. Just take the smaller number, double it up, and you will get the total number of natural numbers lying between two squares. That is consecutive squares only. So let's see this question. How many natural numbers lie between 42 square and 43 square? Now I don't want to square 42 and 43. That's going to trouble me a great deal and kill a hell lot of time. So I don't want to do that. Here this number 42 is n. And once you know n is 42, then the total number of natural numbers will be twice of 42, that is 84 natural numbers lie between these two squares. So we could find that out just by doubling 42, not even squaring a single number. You want me to do one more question, like a big question, like how many natural numbers lie between 238 square and 239 square. Now suppose you don't know the rule, what will happen? You are going to struggle a lot. You will be doing all sorts of trial and error. Maybe squaring 238, that itself will consume at least 20-25 seconds if you are very good in squaring. And 239 square, another 25 seconds. So minimum 1 minute required, or even 2 minutes required if you don't know the trick. If you know the trick, it is just 2 times the smaller number 238, which gives me 476 natural numbers lie between these two squares. Isn't that amazing, friends? Maths is rational. You have logic behind everything. You have you can reason out things, and once you start thinking correctly about the numbers, it's always going to entertain you. So friends, if you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications on your mobile. If you like this concept, click the like button and you will get the option of hyping the video. So if you hype the video and give it 80 points, it has more chances of reaching the masses. So practice this concept and let me know in the comments below, did you like the video? And all the best for the practice part.